Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning guys. I never know how to make like intros to my videos. I've been doing this for it'll be 2 years this month. But I still don't know how to do a proper intro. Also, that's really loud. But good morning guys. Today's video is gonna be what it's like being an adult. Realities of living in an apartment without parents. I live with my boyfriend, so I'm not like alone, but just kind of the reality of being an adult, adulting. Bleh. I have to do laundry. I need to go to the grocery store today. The whole apartment just is low-key a mess. I gotta clean it. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna show you I'm gonna tell you about the expenses of groceries you have to pay for. Yeah, but right now we're making coffee. That's what's happening first. That one. I have to give Oakley a piece of ice every time I get ice because he loves it, so. I'm wearing Bradley's shorts. I slept in them. I ordered an Emma Chamberlain mason jar cup, the one with the handle. Pretty excited about it. I don't like this oat milk. I like the Planet oat milk. It's the best oat milk you could buy, but I don't have it at Target. So we got the Target brand because I don't really like the Oatly oat milk either. So I got the Target oat milk, and it's like grainy. Ugh. I hate doing laundry. I'm not looking forward to that. It sucks. That's like the worst thing about living alone. I don't live alone. I don't know what to say for that. I'm gonna say I live alone. I live with my boyfriend. Like, we're living alone together without our parents, basically. There we go. So that's like the worst thing. We both hate laundry. It's like doing it's fine, but the folding laundry, ugh, it's horrible. How long can I procrastinate? I'm gonna make breakfast. I got a new phone. Oh. But I got a new phone. I got the 12 Pro Max, and she's pretty. Look at her. Okay, big fan of Case 5 cases, but homegirl bought a new phone and don't have any of the size, so I had to just get this overpriced Apple one. What the? This is literally nothing to it. It's just whatever. But until I get a Case of I1, it's just what it is. But look how pretty. I got the silver one, but it's white. It's not really silver, just the sides are silver. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. It's cool. This isn't even part of the video, but I don't care. Look, oh, so pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. It's literally just the same though. I haven't really changed anything yet. I know, tell me about it. Do you need to have breakfast too? Anyways, what was I talking about? Oh, my new phone. Yeah, I got a new phone, really fun. I didn't need a new phone, but I got my own phone bill. Adulting, this is a part of the video. It actually does correlate. So basically, I'm an adult now, and I have to pay for my own phone bill because I kept going over data with my parents because they just had a certain amount of gigs. They had 20 gigabytes, or not gigabytes, just 20 gigs. I don't know. That's a lot of gigs. I would use 18 of them and go over, and I'd have to pay them back. So then I was like, let me just get on my new plan and I'll get a new phone. So I had the 11 Pro Max, really pretty good phone. I mean, it's a good phone. I gave it to my mom because she had the same one, but her battery was fried, so I swapped, whatever. I know. But I wanted the new phone to have a better camera quality for the gram pics, you know what I'm saying? So, okay, look, I dropped a piece of food right there. Coffee and protein bar. Oh, what did I just do? Let me get my phone. Okay, I'll see you guys when I'm done with my coffee and done with my breakfast. Jeez.
hello, Papa.
So it's obviously like a lot later. We went to Starbucks, we got food. Now we're cleaning up. I just straightened up the kitchen a little bit. I still need to like really clean it and do dishes. The bathroom's a mess. Bradley's like kind of working on it right now. I'm gonna put some more laundry into the wash so that I'm forced to fold these because Bradley's not as bad as it, but I'm really bad at it where I just won't fold laundry because I don't want to and it just sits there. Putting those in there.
Don't always come from the steeple. That's why I'm making songs for the people, yeah.
How was Rose? High five! Fall on your undies.
Thanks. We folding clothes.
Has to be beat. You gon' have to see me. You gon' have to see me. Consequences when you challenging me. From the chalice I drink. If you woke, you ain't deep. Hope you don't fall asleep. Close your eyes. We at the peak. Oh, but I'll never peak. At the top of all my fears. Sit beneath. See that was deep. Got it on lock with no key.
Oh, see, it's so embarrassing. I literally haven't gone grocery shopping in so long. This is my mom's stuff and this is her stuff, but my flowers and then all this junk is mine. So, yeah. Okay, I'm back from the grocery store. I haven't talked to you guys very much, but today wasn't as productive with cleaning as it should have been. I mean, I'm getting it done slowly but surely. We went to the grocery store. Oakley's crying, but I'm gonna put my groceries and take him downstairs, go potty, have a good time. But yeah, so I didn't vlog a bunch in the grocery store just because it's like a low-key a little awkward. But I just want to talk about something really quick because I need to rant. Okay, rant over. Just don't be rude on the internet. It's literally so, just like, don't be rude. It makes you look bad. It's not cute. It's not funny. Don't be rude. Be nice. Spread positivity. Positivity will come to you if you're positive. Live your life. Live your own life. Live your best life. And F the haters. Okay. Grocery haul. First, I went to a Foot Locker, or like, no, not a Foot Locker, like a Famous Footwear or something, and got Bradley's socks because all of his socks have holes in them. Brought my reusable bags, but I still didn't have enough, so I got some cold brew just because some days maybe I don't want a latte. Cold brew. Got some orange juice because, I don't know, it sounded good. I got some regular milk for like biscuits and gravy vibe, okay? Got these acai sorbets. Ooh, they're so good. They're so good. Some donuts because sometimes I don't feel like cooking breakfast and Bradley likes some donuts, so shop the beach club. Got some more eggs because that's like the main breakfast I make. It's easy, it's simple. Bradley likes eggs, whatever. Got an avocado. I don't even like avocado, but I got it for a video. Will be in the future. I got some oat milk that I actually like because I didn't like the like off-brand. It's grainy and gross, sorry. These things, so delish, love them. They're like these little tortellinis, so good, I love them. Got some bananas. I got some apples also, because apples are good sometimes. I got an apple, I got a pear, I like pears. And I got some bow tie noodles, some strawberries. Got some chips, these are sour cream and onions, salt and vinegar, Cheez-It snacks, cranberry juice, because Bradley likes cranberry juice. Bradley to take her work, they're like little granola thingies. And then I got this Spanish rice stuff, so yummy. Because easy peasy, I'm probably gonna eat this tonight because Bradley he's coaching football right now and he doesn't get home until like 8, so I'm not gonna cook a meal. Got some chicken fried rice, oat milk creamer. It said froth like a boss, and that like really was intriguing to me. And SpaghettiOs, because I love me some SpaghettiOs. And then I got 4 of the tomato paste for the Gigi Hadid pasta that I make all the time. So I'm gonna put these all away now. Hope you enjoyed my rant and my grocery haul. Oh, let me give you the real insight of being an adult. This all cost $120.16. Boop. I'm gonna put these all away, do a little like fast little montage, and yeah, let's put them away. Okay, I'm done putting my groceries away. I am going to take Mr. Oakley dog, Oakley boy, out to go potty, walk around for a little bit. How cutesy. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, it's sprinkling. There's his pee-pee. You can't tell, it is like gloomy outside right now and it's gonna rain soon. So that's fun. It's like sprinkly right now, like just a mist, but very cloudy right now, so yeah. Guys, look at the deer just across the pond. Oakley, deer, just hanging out. Hey, bud. I just saw him. Oh, he's pooping. Good boy.
From the steeple, that's why I'm making songs for the people, yeah.
I'm about to put all these clothes away. Fun. Oh, what a mess. What a mess. What a mess. And what a mess. Oh, okay. Let's do it. What are you doing?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
They say the first should
If
be.
you guys are wondering why I bought Bradley so many socks, he wears these like black Nike ones. Fun. Look at these. Do you see the holes in these things? Like, they're insane. So many holes in them. So, like, all of them. So.
A peek at the top of my fears, sit beneath. See, that was deep.
Okay, so I don't have too much more to do, but I really need to clean our room. The side tables are so messy, the floor is so messy, the bed needs to just be made, yada yada yada. So I'm gonna try to do that just really quickly because it shouldn't take very long. But it's like so quiet in here right now, just being alone, just me and the dog. I don't have anything on like TV, so I'm gonna use my little Raycon earbuds to just listen to some music. Yeah, and pretty much I will film it, and yeah. So I'm just gonna get right into that. Hi, so really quickly, I wanted to talk about my earbuds. These are the Raycon Everyday E25 Pro earbuds. They're my favorite earbuds to use when I'm in the house working out, going out maybe on a walk outside, anywhere where I kind of just want to put my earbuds in, listen to music, and be isolated from everybody else. These are my go-tos. By the pool, it's kind of rude to like blare any music you want at the pool. It's a public pool at my apartment, so these are so great for the summertime especially. These wireless earbuds start at half the price of other premium audio brands. The Raycon earbuds give you 6 hours of playtime, seamless Bluetooth pairing, more bass, and a more compact design for comfortable noise isolating fit. If you guys have been around on my channel for a while, you guys know I've had Raycons before. I had rose gold ones. At this time I got some black ones. They're really sleek and they're just like chill, I don't know, super cool. But Raycon offers a bunch of fun colors and patterns you can choose from. They have so many different fits for the actual earbuds, so you can find exactly what size fits perfectly to your ear, so you don't have to worry about them falling out when you're working out or anything like that. And if Raycon is not the fit for you, or if something's wrong, or you decided you want a different color, there's a 45-day return policy, free return policy. Raycons are so easy to put in, and they're really like sleek. They don't hang out, there's no cords, they're just like in your ear, nobody knows about them, and they do not fall out. So that's really nice, because that's like my biggest problem with earbuds. They just fall right out of my freaking ears. It's so annoying. So yeah, super cool. If you guys are interested in Raycon earbuds, you guys can click the link in my description box or go to buyraycon.com/Messler for 15% off of your Raycon purchase. These are so good for the summer. You guys need these things for working out or hanging by the pool or just any needs of earbuds. You need them. They're really good and half the price of other brands. Okay, back to the videos. Check out Raycon. All around a total freaking mess. Haven't unpacked yet. Trash. The bed's not made. There's stuff everywhere. This is a cluster. Yeah, gross from earlier. So yeah. Okay, let's just get on into it.
Oh, hello, Papa.
%, on the laptop. In a Jeep. Okay.
I just need to move those bags. This is nice and clean. This area is nice and clean. My Raycon box is right there. Yeah. I need to refold his blankie. Still need to unpack. But really quick, I'm going to clean the back of the room. A mess. So let's do that cute new flower though, and then I need to put that away. The shower also needs to be cleaned. Okay, let's do it.
Yeah. They say the first should be last. I'm the last to be beat. You gon' have to see me. You gon' have to see the consequences. When you challenging me from the chalice I drink. If you hope you ain't deep, hope you don't fall asleep. Close your eyes, we at the peak. Oh, but I'll never peak. At the top of all my fears, sit beneath. See, that was deep. Got it on lock with no key.
Now I gotta fold these. I don't know what's going on in there, but I gotta fold these now.
This ain't JV, this is varsity. Yes sir. Look. Yup. Look. Yeah.
So clean. Yeah. Gotta hang those up. Put this away. We have a problem.
And the problem is,
I ran out of tampons today. And I didn't buy any more because I forgot.
so you don't have any?
Nope.
You can go get you some?
Yeah. We can go after the pizza?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Dinner. I always feel so awkward talking.
Why are you that close?
Virgin California Pizza Kitchen pizza. And we're gonna watch a movie. This is the fun part of adulting and living by yourself. You get to have fun watching movies and eating frozen pizzas. I'm so close to your face.